resolution number 2015-36, a resolution of the Canvassing Board, the City of Vero Beach, Florida, certifying the results of the municipal general election held on the 3rd day of November 2015 in the City of Vero Beach, Florida. Whereas the election returns for the municipal general election held in the City of Vero Beach, Florida on November the 3rd, 2015 have been tabulated and certified by the Indian River County Supervisor of Elections and canvassed and certified by the Canvassing Board of the City of Vero Beach, as evidenced by the certificate of the Canvassing Board. Official returns, a copy of which is attached hereto as Exhibit A and incorporated herein, and whereas the certified official election returns show the results of the municipal general election are as follows. City Council, 2-year term, 2 elected. Harry Howle, 1,074 votes. Laura Moss, 948 votes. Dick Winger, 1,178 votes. Brian Hetty, 346 votes. Amelia Jane Graves, 1,024 votes. Now therefore be it resolved by the Canvassing Board of the City of Vero Beach that the results of the municipal general election held in the City of Vero Beach on November the 3rd, 2015 are certified to be as shown above in the resolution, with the results that Harry Howle and Dick Winger are hereby declared to be duly elected members of the City Council of the City of Vero Beach, Florida for the ensuing 2-year term, and all as duly tabulated and certified by the Indian River County Supervisor of Elections, done and entered the 16th day of November 2015. I make a motion to accept the resolution.
I'll second that motion.
Is there any public comment on the resolution as proposed? Seeing none, Madam Clerk, would you call the roll on the resolution?
Mr. O'Connor?
Yes.
Mrs. Vaughn?
Yes.
Mr. Clement?
Yes. The motion to adopt the resolution certifying the election results having been moved, seconded, and having passed has been approved. Would Mr. Winger and Mr. Howle please stand, and the City Clerk will administer the oath of office for you. Congratulations.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I do solemnly